Magandang araw po muli at tayo magpapatuloy sa ating lesson sa Mathematics 8. At ako po ang inyong guro ulit, si Teacher Yul. At ang topic natin ngayon ay nasa week 5 na tayo. At ito ay tungkol sa graphing linear equation in two variables. At sa ating graphing linear equation in two variables, meron tayong subtopics na dapat nating aralin. Okay, ito ang mga sumusunod, ang graph, the points, slope formula, and the equations of lines. Okay, so nakikita niyo dito ay yung ating naging topic ulit dati, no? Naging topic na natin yung different equations of lines. So meron tayong 7 na formula na ginagamit o gagamitin sa pagsulat, no? Writing the equation of lines. At meron tayong dinagdag lang dito, siyempre, yung getting the slope, then the general form, standard form. So, all in lahat ito ay 10 lahat ng formula. So, yung talagang ating gagamitin dito ngayon, no, ay ang ating slope intercept, the point slope, intercept form, vertical, horizontal, and the 2-point form, yun. So, yung lahat ng binanggit ko po, ano, lahat. The standard form, ito naman yung ginagamit lang kapag tinitsis natin yung equation. This is the sulat po sa standard form, and then yung general form kapag hiningi sa inyo yung sagot na ganito, ha? Susulat niyo po. Okay? So, lahat ng ito ay ating tatalakayin. Okay. So, may quadrant tayo dito. Okay, so let's start now. So, in this lesson, so, ayan, mayroon agad tayong nakitang formula. That is the y-intercept form, no? The y-intercept form. Okay. So, we study about the 2 points, the x and y-intercept, and then the slope and point on the line. And then, additional, we are studying we are applying the AP, which is the addition property of equality. So, ang gamit yan ay para ma-equate to 0 natin yung equation. Equate to 0 by using the AP, or you used also the additive inverse. So, dapat yung positive dito maging negative para maging 0. Or you can use the transposition property. Lipat na lang. Then change the sign. In the other property, we have the MP, multiplication property of equality. Then you can use the cross multiplication. So, bahala kayo kung anong ilagay sa kaliwa o sa kanan. It's okay. So now, we have the first equation of line. This is the formula, This is the formula para maggawa yung equation ng line, no? How to create the equation of line. Okay. So, remember the line is na ating gagawin ay straight line. Okay. By using the points, naaral na natin yung paano hanapin yung slope. Okay. So, following the formula equals y equals mx plus b. So, it means that ang main concern dito ay it is only the y-intercept. Ano yung intercepted ng y? Ano yung value ni y na madadaanan niya? Dahil ang kalimitan ginagamit dito ay yung ating value ay yung 20 and 04 o kaya the pair, no? Pair of points. So, ordered pairs natin ay ganitong nakikita. Okay. So, getting the slope first. So, yun ang mahalaga. Kailangan yung kunyang slope. And the slope is negative 2. But, in original for negative 2. So, simplifying this, or the lowest term, negative 2. So, by applying now the formula, para magawa yung equation ng line, equals y equals mx plus b. So, the slope is negative 2, and your x, katabi ng negative 2, and then plus 4. Y is 4. Because ito lang yung may value ng y. That is the intercept of y. That is 4. And then, kung na-plot mo naman yan, then you will check that. Makita mo na agad dyan. Okay? Then if you want to apply the rise and run, okay, so gamitin niyo po ito. Hindi po ito kasi naka-lowest term. So count that. And then, what is run? From here, 2. 1, 2. Okay. And what is your rise? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is correct. And this is the equation of line. Galing dito sa ating formula. So, it's substituting only the value. Okay. And then if you want to check papuntang point para hanapin itong point na to kung tama talagang ginawa nyo by using this setting the value of x to 0 and setting the value of y to 0, and then substitute the value of x and y to 0, then copy the equation. So now if you are going to locate the value of y, so setting the value of x to 0, so y equal 0, then plus 4. Your final answer is equal to 4. Okay, now you have now your point 0.04 for checking. So ito na yan. Okay, then setting the value of y equal to 0, then following the equation y minus 2x plus 4. So for now, ito naman maging 0. Ayan, so 0, I'm sorry, negative equals to negative 2x plus 4. Since na yung 2x natin ay negative, ilipat natin dito. Or you can use now the AP, yung ating ginagamit, yung ating sinabi ko sa inyong property. How to do that? AP. To make this 0, or how do you do that? Equate to 0, para matanggal na makancel siya, use positive 2x. Then, both sides. Yung ginamit mo doon, use also dito ng positive 2x plus 0 dito. So, both parts. Okay? So, negative, cancel na, positive. So, that's why we have now 2x equals 4. Since ito po ay may value, yung x, that's why baba mo na lang agad. So, equals 4 over 2. So, your x equals 2. Okay. Or, if you want to use the other method to cancel, no? Okay, to cancel the value of 2, you are going to divide by 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So it becomes 2x over 2, then equals 4 over 2. So, yan pa mga ways, no, para maging madali. At alam nyo yung paano mag-cancel. So, lowest term equals, so that's why we have now the other point, we have 2 and 0 because our value of y is set to 0. Okay. So now, ito. So our equation of a line is correct because after checking and getting the point of the 2 points, okay, so bumalik po siya match. So that is correct. Okay, so this is another example, and then the AP is applied in this example. Okay, so we have the equation, we have y minus x equals 4. So by following the y mx plus b, so just change how do we call that, transform to y equals mx plus b. So negative, it becomes positive. You can use the AP. Okay, and then plus 4. So negative x, negative positive. So that is y equals x plus 4. So pareho dito. Then your slope, we have the slope, we have, because mx plus b, your slope is equals to 1 po. 1 ang slope mo. Hindi na po sinusulat. And then huwag po kalimutan na kung 1 yan, whole number, may 1 na kasama denominator. And then this is your rise. Okay, and this is your run. Okay, run. Nice. Don't forget that. Okay, now, ayan. So, to plot the points, para malaman yung points, so in this case, getting the value of y, so set to x to 0, okay, your value of y equals 4. So that is 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is your first point. And then, setting the value of x, I'm sorry, setting the value of y to 0, y to 0, so x equals negative 4. Okay, because it is positive, so nilipat natin nga, so lilipat natin ito. So, lilipat or by AP by negative 4, negative 4. So, it becomes x equals negative 4. So, biyahin mo, 1, 2, 3, ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. Since your slope is positive, positive 1, so that's why it's correct. Okay, going to right. Okay, so this is the equation of the line. Equation of I'm sorry, yung original lang natin, y minus x equals 4, so that's not the correct, so use the mx plus b, so x plus 4, or the standard of that y minus x, standard niya, is standard. So in making the standard, you're going to make positive x, so para maging positive, we will use the additive, so plus x, then 4 plus x. Okay, standard. So ito, tatanggal. So y equals 4 plus x. Oh, kaya, yung x plus 4. Ganyan. Then, hindi pa siya standard. That's why you are going to change that. So, ilipat na naman to. Yan. Then, ito naman. So, by using the AP or the transposition property, so now, we have y 4, ayan. Standard maging negative siya, then negative y, then plus x, or to write x plus y equals negative 4. Kapag standard tayo, standard. So always follow the rules kung paano gumagawa yung mga signs, transposition and the AP. Okay? So yun ang ating paliwanag doon. At dito naman, our equation is 2x plus 3y equals 9 since it is standard, yes, standard form. So, getting the value of x and y, so what will be our slope? So, y mx plus b, mx plus b. Okay. So, following that, okay, you are going to transpose that equals negative 2x and plus 9. Plus 9. So that's it. So this is our slope, this is our y-intercept. So for that, getting the value of x and y, so your y is, makita mo agad, that is, y is 9. So may point ka na agad, that is, ang point mo ay 0 and for this pair. The other one is your value of x. So, gawin mo 0 yung y, to get the value of x equals, so it means that 0 to, so we have now 2x plus 9 plus 9. So for that, once So, 0, 2x plus 9. So, para makuha yun, nilipat natin yung 9. So, it becomes negative. So, I'm sorry. Hindi. Negative pa rin 2x. That's why, okay, yung 2x natin ang ilipat. 2x equals 9, positive 9. So, since may value, we are going to simplify that. Equals 9 over 2. So, for that, we have the 4.5. 4.5. So, we have the first point, 0, 0.9, and then 4 point, I'm sorry. So, 3y. 3y pala ito, no? 3y. So, 3y. So, 3y. So, over 3. Ayan, that's why, ayan, 0. Ayan, 0. 0.3 po yung ating. So, we have now point 0.3, and then the other point 9 over 2 and 0. So, kung ipaplot mo sa point yan, ipaplot mo. Yan, hanapin mo lang dito. So, 1, 2, 3. And then 4.5, that is 4 and 5. So, ganun. Because our slope is negative. So, this slope is equals to negative over 1. So, that's our slope. This our run is 1. Run is 1. No, run is 1 from here. And then rise is 2. But anyway, kasi siya po ay nagkaroon siya ng lowest term. So that's why hindi talaga siya 2 and 1 because naka-lowest term siya. But you can check that. Okay, so paano nangyari yun? Ang ginawa natin ay MP, gumamit tayo ng MP, multiplication property of equality. So from here, formula 3y minus 2x plus 9. So you are going to remove the value of 3. Consider natin yan by multiplying 1/3 para matanggal. Then, you can get y equals negative 2/3 x, yun na siya, then plus 3. So, yung 9, naging 3 na lang. No? Naging 3 na lang dahil siya ay nag-divide na ng 3. And then, this is the final answer. So, the slope is, I'm sorry, our slope is 2/3 rather. 2/3. Because, ayan, because of this. Okay. So, naano ko dito kanina na 4. Nakita natin ay 2. Ayan. So, okay. So, ito yung tama. So, the slope is 2/3 and the y-intercept is 3. Ayan. So, y-intercept natin ay 3 agad. Makikita natin agad by following this. Okay. So, ito. Susundan natin yan. Pinaanan agad tayo na napatuloy dito tayo sa 2x plus 9. So, hindi natin simplify. So, anyway, correction tayo. Ayan. So, simplify natin. Okay. So, ang ating lang ay 3. Okay, that's right naman. 3 tayo. Ayan. Tama naman 0. Ayan. Okay naman natin. So, 4.5 and then 0.3. Okay. So, ganoon naman yung ating ginawa kanina. Ano pa? Okay, so, ito, karagdagan na lang sa ating formula na y equals mx plus b. Ang pinapagawa sa inyo, this is the equation, then make it to y equals mx plus b. Transform nyo po. So, number 1, so y equals, since negative, becomes positive by EP or transposition property, plus 2. That is now your answer. Okay. Kapag ganito naman yung equation, naka ymx plus p, kasi tinanong sa inyo gawin na standard, so standard niya ay y, I'm sorry, yung negative siya. Kaya gagawin siya standard, so it becomes positive 3x minus y, then yung 2, since nalipat, okay, positive 2 pa rin yan. Kasi negative siya. Then, gagawin kong positive, ililipat ko siya, gagawin ko isang positive, minus, no? So, mag-equate tayo ng 0 dyan. Maging positive, 3x, then si y, maging negative. Okay, tama na, dito ay positive 2 pa rin. Okay, that's right. It is the standard. So, ganoon lang, lagi nyo i-master yung ng sign, kasi napakalaga yan. Okay, locating the point. So, sige, apply natin paano mag-locate ng point para hindi lang yung sa aking example. So, ayan. By this, we have now the y equals mx plus b. So, ang ating intercept ng y agad ay 2. So, meron tayo agad na by setting x to 0 and then y to 0. Alam na agad. Andito sa y mx plus b, alam agad natin yung y-intercept. Because ito na yung tinutukoy agad natin, yung intercept ng y equals 2. So, 1, 2. So, yan po yung ating 0 and 2. Because your value of x equals 2, do 0 agad. So, meron tayo agad isang point. So, the problem is, isang problema na lang yung value ng x. So, set natin yung y equal to 0. So, gawin 0. So, 3x plus 2. So, this is baba. 3x equals 2. So, nanggaling yan sa ano kasi, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So, ilipat ko yung kaya AP, kaya 3x equals negative 2. So, yan, nilipat ko. Or the additive inverse, para matanggal siya, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Transposition o AP. Dalawa lang po ang yung laging gamitin. Sa multiplication naman, MP, sa cross multiplication, kapag mayroong ganito. Okay, now we have simplified this. We have negative 2. Ayan. Cross multiplication ika nga. O kaya, removing this value. So, you are going to divide by 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Or, diretso na agad yung sabi ko sa inyo. Baba mo na agad yan. So, equals 3. Pag baba mo, ayun na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mahaba pa. But if you want to practice that, ayan yung mga rules natin. So, our x equals negative 2/3. So, this is our x. So, we have now 2/3 and 0. Because our y is set to 0. So, let us check why it is negative because our slope is negative. Check natin. There is a problem. Y equals, that is positive. Y it is negative 2. Negative 2. Okay. Check natin. Y equals 3x and plus 2. Ayan. Okay, that's it. Okay, so our slope is positive. Positive. Okay, so negative lang yung ating value ng x. Negative 2/3. So, 2/3 is equivalent to 0.6. So, kung ito ay 1, so maybe like this. So, dito nang galing. Okay, that's right. That is, our slope is positive. So, it's going to right, upward. So, this is positive. Our equation is y minus 3x plus 2. Pero hindi siya standard o kaya hindi y mx plus b, kaya ayusin niyo po. So, ang equivalent ay y equals 3x plus 2. Or standard natin, 3x then minus y equals 2. Okay? 3x minus y equals 2. Okay. So, that's it. Okay, so yung iba, yung apat po, ay sagutan nyo lang po. Okay, let us now